are here. I need to wear my boots because we're going on a hike. And can you please bring my boots? Stop scrolling your phone.
Can you just leave me alone?
Tama ba yung outfit ko? I don't know what to wear. Actually, I didn't know that. Ang tagal naman ng kasama ko. Ano ba naman to? Ayan na siya. Ganun talaga guys. Pag medyo matagal na kayo, iniiwan mo na yung kasama mo. Dati dapat magkasabay pa kayo, diba? Ngayon iwanan ko na siya. Ang tagal eh. Good morning! Thank you! So we need to get on the bus, going to the lodge.
For this, let's schedule for the bus because it's quite busy in the morning. My name is Bavish and I'm going to be your guide for today's walk. So we have Inda, our driver, that's going to give us the transfer to go to the starting point. So the walk will be normally approximately 1.5 hours, 2 hours of 3 kilometers of walking. Okay.
Hiking starts now.
Before festive begins, that lasted approximately 2 years, and then 2005. So as you can see, due to the color of the tail, the beak, and the beak.
Oh my god guys, it's been like only 15 minutes. And it's so tiring, but it's so fun though. Look at this view. It was actually raining a while ago. And it's lovely. But I'm so hingal-hingal na. This smells good. Cinnamon. It's now raining. Pouring, yeah. We are heading back guys because of the rain. Ang lakas ng ulan. So, hindi na matutuloy yung walk namin. But it's okay. Parang mga naka 5K naman kaming, 5 km naman kaming lakad. Hello guys, nandito pa rin kami naglalakad. Medyo maaraw na siya kaya nag-shades na rin ako. I think we're walking like 1.5 hour na. And balik na kami sa lodge. Oo. A welcome drink. Cheers, baby.
Yes, I give you.
Oh my god, if you want to do hiking guys, go here. You have to come here, try the Ferney try the Ferney hiking. So sarap. So later, itutour ko kayo. Hindi ako makapag-tour kasi, as you can see, basang-basa ang aking mukha. Nag-tour kami ng, I think, 2 hours. So nag-hike kami ng 2 hours. Super ano siya, the weather unpredicted. Like it's gonna be sunny, after a few steps it's gonna rain, after a few steps sunny again. So unpredictable yung weather, parang every 5 minutes uulan or 5 minutes araw. Pero I'm glad we did it. Hindi po ako nag-hike, hindi ako fan ng hiking kasi I don't know, wala lang ako energy for that, but I'm glad na ginawa ko, and then ginawa namin something different here in Mauritius, because normally when you say Mauritius or when you think about it, it's just like beach or island, but look at this guys, look at this view, look at that view. I'm gonna tour you later, guys. Lunch now with the view, guys. Look at that, look at this place.
Nowhere to be found, but I keep looking for it. Out of my sight, but I keep looking for it.
Hello, guys, look at my view. We're going na. Look at that. Na-enjoy namin today. So masarap talaga yung food nila. 5 star ang sarap talaga ng food. And then kami lang actually ang tao, so that's a bonus. So nasolo namin yung area na yan. And then look at our view, super ganda. Anyway guys, so kung gusto nyo mag-hike, punta kayo dito sa may Ferney. Punta kayo sa Ferney Lodge, and then nag-offer sila ng hiking. Diyan kami pumunta kanina, that area. And then we're leaving na. Bye-bye!